What you just saw, it was never filmed. No creator, no camera, no studio. These ads were generated inside Vidu AI, and it looks real enough to stop the scroll. Here's the problem with UGC ads right now. You find a creator, you write a brief, you ship your product, then you wait, sometimes weeks, for content that might not even perform. What if you could cut all of that out entirely? I am going to show you the exact workflow. Every step, every setting, every prompt I used. Alright, so this is the Vidu dashboard. On the left side panel, go ahead and click on Images. Once you're in, this is where you paste your character prompt. I typed in, a stylish young Middle Eastern man in his late 20s, wearing a clean white fitted crewneck t-shirt, well-groomed beard. Vidu gives you multiple model options. You've got Nano Banana 2 and others, but we're going straight to GPT Image 2. Set your resolution to 2K and hit Create. It's going to run through the queue for a few seconds, and then boom, your result drops. And look at this guy. I mean, this is the result. No retouching, no editing, straight out of GPT Image 2. This character is absolutely perfect for a UGC ad. The face is sharp, defined, and naturally confident. The beard is well-groomed without being overdone. I'm going to use this image as a reference, meaning every image I generate from this point forward will stay consistent with this exact face. So I'm switching over to the Reference to Image tab, uploading my character image, and now I'm going to generate different angles of the same person. For the first angle, I'm going with a clean side profile view. My prompt is, same man, side profile view, white t-shirt, looking slightly forward, arms relaxed at sides. Same parameters. Vidu already knows who this person is. For angle 2, I want a close-up shot, face and chest only. My prompt, same man, close-up shot from shoulders up, white t-shirt, looking directly at camera, generate. And for the third angle, I'm going with a 3/4 turn. This one adds depth and dimension. Prompt, same man, 3/4 angle turn to the right. Same parameters, hit create. And there it is. Now look at all 3 angles together. Same person, same face, same beard, same outfit. 3 completely different perspectives, and this is all from one reference image and 3 short prompts. Now, I'm going to save this character. Vidu lets you name your character and even assign a voice to them for later use in the lip sync feature. So I'll name him, save it to my assets. And now this character is locked in and ready to be paired with our product. And for this video, we're going with a luxury men's perfume. My prompt for the product is, a luxury men's perfume bottle, sleek dark glass with gold accents, minimalist label, standing upright. Same process, same tab. Text to image, GPT Image 2. And just look at that. That is a commercial-grade product shot, right out of Vidu. The dark glass, the gold accents, the subtle reflection underneath, the clean white background. This looks like it came straight out of a professional studio shoot. Now, same exact process as we did with the character. I'm going to generate multiple angles of this perfume bottle. Prompt, same black and gold perfume bottle, side angle view, label slightly visible, pure white background. Same parameters, hit create. Second angle, a macro close-up focused on the cap and gold detail. Hit create. And for the third angle, we're going low, a dramatic upward-looking shot. Same black and gold perfume bottle, low angle 3/4 view looking slightly upward. Bottle appears powerful and dominant. Alright, so as you can see, we now have all the different angles of the perfume bottle. Same object, same details, completely consistent across every shot. Now I'm going to save this image as a reference inside Vidu's assets and name it simply Product. Clean and organized. We have our character saved, we have our product saved. 2 references, ready to go. I'm going to head over to the Reference to Video section on the left side panel. This is the core feature we've been building toward this entire time. I'm going to load character and product, both at the same time. Vidu now knows exactly who the person is and exactly what the product looks like. It has multiple angles of both. Now I write my prompt, where a confident man talks naturally to the camera about discovering a fragrance that unexpectedly impressed him. The video has an authentic handheld feel. For the video model, I'm going with Vidu Q3. This is their latest and most advanced model right now. You can see there are other model options available, and honestly, they're all solid. Vidu Q3 selected, resolution set, cinematic mode on. Let's hit create.
I wasn't even looking for a new fragrance, but this changed everything. It's not loud, but people notice. Every time I wear it, someone asks. It's clean, masculine, kinda addictive. Honestly, this might be the only one I use now.
Look at this.
Okay.
This one feels real in a way most AI ads still struggle to achieve. Right from the first frame, the character consistency is locked. No face drift, no identity shift. He looks like the same person in every shot, which instantly builds trust. That alone puts it ahead of a lot of generated content. What stands out even more is how clean the motion is. The lip sync and voice alignment are surprisingly tight. It doesn't feel dubbed or artificial. The delivery matches the facial movement naturally, which is critical for UGC-style ads where authenticity is everything. Now, I'm going to show you the exact same workflow, but this time with a completely different product category. Sneakers. GPT image 2, same parameters. And my product prompt is a pair of premium men's white and black sneakers. Clean design, bold sole, placed flat on a pure white surface. Hit create. And there it is, a clean, sharp, premium-looking sneaker shot, straight out of GPT image 2. Now, same process as before. I'm uploading this sneaker image as my product reference and generating multiple angles to lock in that object consistency. First up, the side profile view. Same sneakers, same sole thickness, same colorway, just viewed from the side. Then the top-down flat lay, and just like that, it's locked in and ready to be paired with our character for the video generation step. So for this video, I started by loading two references, one for the character and one for the sneakers. Then I wrote a prompt that locks everything in. I told the model to featuring a confident young man in a minimal indoor setting with soft, natural lighting and a natural handheld phone camera feel. Then I ran this on Vidu Q3 with the same parameters as before. And honestly, the result came out way better than expected.
Bro, I didn't expect these to be this good. Super clean. I didn't expect these sneakers to be good. Just look at them. Super clean, goes with literally everything. And the comfort, crazy.
The lip syncing feels natural and on point, like it was actually spoken in real time. The delivery doesn't feel robotic. It feels believable. The pacing is also solid. The cuts are quick enough to keep attention, but not chaotic. Every transition feels intentional and matches the energy of the video. What stood out the most for me is how well the product is integrated. The sneakers stay in focus without feeling forced. It doesn't look like an ad trying too hard. Everything you are seeing here was generated with just a few prompts. No cameras, no film crews, no creators, and no waiting around for revisions. It's built to replace the slow, expensive UGC workflow with something instant. It's fast, cost-efficient, and fully online, meaning you can create ads anytime, from anywhere. If you want to test it yourself and see what it can do for your own content or ads, check the link in the description and try Vidu AI today.